Welcome back to the Train Expert channel. We got a very short tanker train. Let's check it out. I just did 3 of them on Wednesday. That's the first tanker train today. We were over at the tanker place last Friday too. I'm thinking hopefully most likely be the last train videos here at the Quality Inn Resorts. I got 1 or 2 short tanker trains under a minute.
You think they're going to the tankers? You think they're coming back?
I think they're going by the tankers right now, but first we're gonna get off. I think they're gonna go to the tankers, but first we have to get off and get back on with the tanker train. Talk to you later. Or light power train come back, one or the other. Talk to you later. I'm thinking most likely they're going over to the tanker place, I believe. We already went there last Friday. But let's get off and we'll get back on with the next train. That'll be the tanker. Talk to you later.